Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on your Alibaba account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in alibaba.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Alibaba website. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner if you haven't signed in already, and then use your social accounts or your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page, from which, if you wish to change the language, you will see the language option above the Help Center button. You can simply click on this option, and now you will see the language drop-down menu. You can type in your desired language or click on the drop-down button. You will then see the various different languages that are available for Alibaba. Just click on whichever language that you desire, and then click on the Save button, and now the language will be changed into the one that you just selected. You can also change the currency from this very option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language on your Alibaba account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.